Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an often overlooked, but absolutely essential component for any studio setup, a power cord. Specifically, we're diving into the 5FT1.5 MUL listed power cord cable designed for Mackie MR5mk3 and MR6mk3 5.25 and 6.52 way powered studio monitors. This isn't just any power cable. It's engineered with some serious considerations for both performance and, more importantly, safety. Right off the bat, one of the most reassuring aspects of this power cord is its UL listing. For anyone serious about their gear and their workspace, seeing that UL certification is a huge green light. It signifies that the product has met rigorous safety standards, giving users peace of mind that their valuable Mackie monitors are powered reliably and safely. The 5-foot, or 1.5-meter, length is also quite practical, offering enough reach for most studio configurations without creating excessive cable clutter. Now, let's talk about the safety performance, because this is where this particular power cord truly stands out. It's passed the FCC test, which is another strong indicator of its quality and compliance. But beyond that, it's constructed from cutting-edge materials and boasts V0-grade flame retardant properties. This means it's designed to resist catching fire, which is a critical feature for any electronic accessory. Furthermore, it incorporates OVP, OCP, and SCP protection. For those unfamiliar, that translates to overvoltage protection, overcurrent protection, and short-circuit protection. These features are vital. They act as safeguards, protecting expensive studio monitors from potential electrical surges, excessive current, or accidental short circuits. This level of built-in protection is a significant upgrade compared to many generic power cables on the market, making it a much more secure choice for powering sensitive audio equipment. Compatibility is, of course, key, and this cable is specifically designed for the Mackie MR5mk3 and MR6mk3 series. Users should always reference the full list of compatible models in the product description to ensure a perfect fit for their specific monitor. The manufacturer, Shenzhen Movaforest Electric Appliance Industry Co., Ltd., under the brand XMHEIRD, clearly prioritizes reliability. Finally, the worry-free aspect is a welcome bonus. The store offers a 30 days hassle-free return policy and a 12 months replacement exchange. This kind of guarantee speaks volumes about the confidence the brand has in its product. It means that if there are any issues, users are covered, which adds another layer of assurance to an already robust and safe product. For anyone looking to power their Mackie studio monitors with an emphasis on safety and reliability, this power cord presents itself as an excellent, well-engineered option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.